For the benefit of those that joined late, because I realized that I'm seeing some new people that just joined the call. So I'm just going to like start all over again about what I said quickly. So I was like, contrary to what most people think, that Cassava Network, just because of the network attached to it, it's a blockchain platform, 100% blockchain. No, it is not. Cassava Network is a rewards platform that, that helps to reward users by getting them to perform simple online tasks, which ranges from liking a tweet, following a Twitter page, joining a Telegram community, joining a Discord community, and so on and so forth. These are like the major tasks that people do here on Cassava Network. We're a rewards platform that we're into entertainment, gaming, and NFTs. So, like, basically, communities or brands that are shared with such kind of platform, or full-time Web3 communities that are into education, or trading communities are the communities like that we associate ourselves with here on Cassava Network. So, as a new user, let's assume you're a new user that gets onboarded into the platform. You create an account using someone's referral link, or you go straight to app.cassava.network to do it from the website, or you could go on App Store or Play Store and search for Cassava Network. You find the app there. When you've created your account, and this is like usually the home page, this is everybody's home page, whether you're using the phone version or you're using the PC version, this is the home page that you find there. Then the next thing you're expected to do as a user is to go to your profile, although this is not my personal account, and go to verification. Or for some phones, you will see it as social verification, like verify your social account. Why for some you see it as just verification. You're expected to come here and verify your social media account. That's your Twitter, your Discord, and your Telegram. Now, the reason why you have to do this is because if you do not verify your social account, you won't be able to perform tasks on the platform. Remember what I said at the beginning, that the platform is very much like, is more of like a reward platform that rewards you for carrying out tasks on the platform. So the tasks, like I said, they are usually around Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. Meaning, if your own personal Twitter account, or your personal Discord account, or your personal Telegram account, they are not verified on the platform. As I was saying, yeah, so this verification is very, very important for all users on the platform. So you verify your Twitter, verify your Discord, and verify your Telegram. Now, on creating a Cassava account, there's an account you get like through the mobile version now. You get even through the PC version. It's called Unipass. Now, Unipass is a wallet, is a self-custodial wallet. They don't have your seed phrase, no. It's a wallet that it's EVM compatible. So Cassava has a partnership with them. So it makes all users in the Cassava network here, in as much as you have an account on Cassava, as you are creating an account on Cassava, you get a Unipass wallet. And that's why when you're signing up, you see that place that shows you to sign in or to accept that particular to sign into a particular transaction. That's like the Unipass wallet. And when you've created the Unipass wallet, this wallet address you see here at the top of your profile, that is your Unipass wallet address that's connected to your Cassava network. So in the cases of, let's say, one of our partners, be it a community or a brand, they want to do a form of like airdrop on the platform, maybe to airdrop tokens, that's like, it could be USDT or USDC, or they want to airdrop NFTs to users. If you participate in that particular airdrop on the platform, it is this your Unipass wallet address that you've gotten. That's where your tokens, your NFTs and whatnot to be sent to. And there's a feature, hold on. Okay, it's not showing here right now. Don't know why. There's a feature that it's supposed to. Sorry, hold on. Let me come back here. Okay, it's not showing here on this version. Okay, it is. Sorry, this is it here. You see this place that is showing my crypto wallet, like withdraw and deposit is coming soon. So this part has not fully been integrated in this particular in the current version of Cassava, but very soon through your USDT, your NFT and whatnot that will be sent to that particular wallet address, you'll be able to like withdraw them from the platform. So that's why it's like currently showing this withdraw and deposit. Now for the deposit feature, it's because the time is going to come when people would want to purchase CB coins. I will explain what CB coins is very soon. Like a time is going to come, people want to purchase CB coins. For now, they don't have any value. We've not monetized it, but a time is going to come when it's not going to be free anymore. So if you want to purchase CB coins, then definitely you need your USDT on the platform. So you need to deposit your wallet and then now be able to like purchase CB coins. Now, for all of the tasks I've explained, I said, oh, you can do different tasks. Let me show you guys. Show you guys some communities on the platform. Let's have communities. So partner communities, these brands or Web3 education community. These are all the various communities on the platform. This token tag. Some people, if you know Villa, this is Villa, Web3 Africa. Let me show you guys next 100. See, this is the next 100x community, and they currently have 865 followers on the platform. Now, these followers are gotten from like our people that we have on the platform. So we have over 300,000 users on the platform. So let's say if you create a community on the platform, or you as a user, you come up, you see all of these communities, and you want to be updated whenever they post a task, so you'll be able to participate in any of these tasks. All you need to do is click on follow. So by following the community now, anytime this community creates a task or they put a task on the platform, you'll get a pop-up notification or an email showing you and saying that blah 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 community, like this task has been created. You get. So let's check out the next 100x. Now this is the beauty of the Cassava Network. So based on the fact that when they created their account, they put a cover photo, a banner photo rather than their profile picture. They've created 3 tasks on the platform, and they currently have 866 followers on the platform. And in total, 832 people have participated on their tasks that they've created so far on the platform. And if you come to this, if you click on the Twitter logo, it will take you to their Twitter page. You get, so in case you want to do your own deep research about the platform, this is like another way that you can do it. Based on the fact that when they created the community, they imputed their Twitter, and of course, if you click on Telegram, I don't do that so it doesn't disrupt my call. I don't know if it will disrupt it, but if you click on this Telegram, it will bring you to this next 100x Telegram community. So yeah, for platforms that have Discord communities and they also have a website, you would also be able to access it. I'll show you guys another community that has like all of the various functions. So let's move on. Like, let's click on this. This is a task that was created by Next 100, and it's saying you should do this. Sorry, can't figure out yet to drop. Okay, if you subscribe to their YouTube, you upload the correct image that you subscribe to, probably on their community. I don't know where it is because I can't see the details of it for you to be able to. Oh, it should be reviewed manually. Hold on, let me look for another simple task that would be easy for people to like access. So this one, for example, this is a Twitter task. So if you click on it now, that's ended, so it's not going to work. Yeah, I bet. Go back. Let me look for a task that has not ended from task center. Hold on. The rewards part, that's where you find the various tasks. I think this is a new task that was created. This is literally creating tasks like almost every day. So yes, this is one. If you click on it now, it says the first task says retweet a tweet by this on Twitter. So if you click on it, it's supposed to take you to their Twitter page, but it's not going to work because I've not verified. I'm sure when I went to the profile just now, you saw I've not verified the Twitter of this particular account. But let me show you guys. See what it's saying. It's saying please verify your social media before completing tasks. So because I've not verified the Twitter, I can't do this task. It's not going to show. But if this Twitter was verified now, as I clicked on this retweet, it would have taken me to the Twitter page of these people and this particular tweet that I'm meant to retweet. Then when I retweet it, I'll come back to this platform, then click on verify. When I click on verify, the system will automatically check it because of course your Twitter account is already connected to the platform. So automatically check to see if you actually retweeted that tweet, and it will show a tick sign to show that yes, you've done that particular task. The next one says you should like a tweet by then. Same thing. Click on verify. It will verify to show that you really like that tweet. Then the third one says follow. When you click on follow, you follow that particular platform on Twitter, and they also verify it to be sure that you actually did that particular task. So there are a whole lot of communities here, which means a whole lot of opportunities for you to earn CB coins in the Cassava network. Now, for those that will probably be wondering what CB coins are and what the benefits of getting these CB coins, they are like CB coins. Don't call it token, and this coin is led. It's not like a centralized point system in Cassava. Like all of the tasks that you do on Cassava to earn reward, the reward you are getting is always in form of either CB coins or OAT. Hold on, I don't think there's any task here. Let me see this particular, the one they did before. Okay, this task was you get an OAT. This picture you are seeing here has because Polygon is written underneath it. Then this is like the next 100x. So OAT is what they call on-chain achievement token. The beauty of Cassava Network is if you do a task on Cassava, aside the CB coins you are going to be earning, you also earn an OAT. Now the OAT is a proof that you're actually a participant in the Web3 space, you get, and you participate on different activities in the Web3 space. So when you get this OAT now, the OAT will be saved in your wallet address of the Cassava Network. That's your Unipass wallet. So it's like an NFT that proves that you actually did a particular task or you did a particular thing. There are some that the OAT is dependent on the kind of task you get. For next 100x now, the OAT they are giving is this particular one. So you can always use this now as a proof to show that, oh, you actually follow next 100x community, your NFT to show that, oh, you follow them and stuff like that. You get. And this one is currently on the Polygon blockchain. So currently Cassava supports BP20 and Polygon. Those are the two blockchain networks. All are NFTs as well as OATs. Those are like the network that we support right now. Now for the CB coins, as I was saying, this is our reward coin or our reward system in Cassava. It simply means Cassava balance, your Cassava balance coin. So for someone who had actually completed this two tasks, for the person will be rewarded with 200 CB coins. You get, and it's first come first serve, meaning first. Okay, I'm coming. Before I go back to explain what FCFS means, let's continue with CB coins. Now, the CB coins is not built on chain. You cannot swap it. You cannot sell it. You cannot send it out. It is only useful within the Cassava ecosystem. Right now, the feature has not been created, but a feature will be put. Currently, we are still testing it with some of us our phone numbers and using the test app, trying to test a situation where we Africans, basically, because that feature is going to start quickly in Africa before it goes like globally for all our other users. Where people will be able to use their CB coins to purchase data, airtime, and as well as gift vouchers. If you don't know what a gift voucher is, that's like a gift card. Those ones from ShopRite or Jumia, where you'll be able to use it to just purchase something. So those are like the features that currently, or rather utilities, real life utilities are currently working on for the CB coin. So that as you are coming here to claim, you are putting that in the back of your mind that it's not easy to use your normal money to go and buy this or to go and buy airtime. You can use your Cassava balance token, your Cassava balance coin, that's the CB coins, to get your data or to get your airtime and to also get all of these gift cards from the platform. So that's like what the CB coins they are for. So the more things you do, like the more tasks you do, and you get to be able to claim that reward, the more chances of accumulating your CB coins. Another way you can also earn CB coins aside performing tasks is actually the greatest, is by you verifying your socials. Now, for the Twitter, Discord, and Telegram verification, for each of them that you successfully do, you get to earn 800 CB coins. If you verify your Twitter, you get 800 CB coins. If you verify your Discord, you get 800 CB coins. If you verify your Telegram, you also get 800 CB coins as a user. You get. Now, for a community, the benefits of communities as well as our partners that come up on the platform, for each community that is created for a partner, they get rewarded, like their balance gets to be 720,000 CB coins. That's for a community that gets onboarded into Cassava Network. Now, that 720,000 CB coins that we give to this community is what they use to reward their users. So as next 100x now, they created this particular task and 200 CB coins for 1,000 people. Let's assume the 1,000 people actually do this task. Simply means for each person that completed the task now, not somebody that didn't finish it. Because this is the thing. Let's say you were able to do this first task, this full on Twitter, but you didn't do this like it. You won't be rewarded CB coins at all. you can only claim a CB coin, like claim the CB coins reward if you completed all the tasks. There are some communities that will put like 4 different tasks. One could be for you to refer a friend to the community, follow a tweet, follow their page, retweet a tweet, or even join their Telegram community. And all of them get amounted to 400 CB coins. If you do 3 and you miss one, you will not get the CB coins reward. You need to do all of the tasks that was created in that particular promotion for you to be able to claim the CB coins. So now this one says FCFS. Now in the Cassava Network, there are 2 major ways of creating tasks. As a community or even as a user, there are 2 different types of tasks you find. There are some that is FCFS you see. Let me show you another one. These 2 guys, I noticed they've been doing a lot more of the other type of task. Yes, this one is the lucky draw. I will explain the difference between the 2 of them. Let's go back. Go. Okay. Now, FCFS, everybody knows, it means first come, first serve. It simply means the first, this one says for 1,000 people. I think this is actually too much, rewarding 1,000 people. Because your CB coins will get exhausted very soon. I'm saying this to next 100x people. Reduce your reward winners to, let's say, 200 is good, but 1,000 is a lot. Because if you deduct 1,000 from your CB coins now, that let's assume all 1,000 people do this task, and each person is getting 100 CB coins. Let me calculate. That's 100 times 1,000. That's 100,000 CB coins to be deducted from your 720,000 CB coins, which is your total balance. And if you're although, as a community, if your CB coins that we are giving you get exhausted, we can always refill for you. But then again, you don't want a situation where you get finished, exhausted on time, because, like I said at the beginning, the time is going to come where the CB coins are not going to be for free. For now, we're still testing the app, like testing a lot of features on the Cassava Network. That's why, for our partners as well as the communities that we're onboarding into the platform, we're giving them the CB coins for free. But time is going to come where to refill your CB coins, you have to pay. So right now, treat your CB coins like gold, so that when the time comes, you know you have enough to still have as in your reserve or whatnot. So now, what this FCFS means is first come first serve, meaning the first, it says 1,000 is 1,000 people they are meant to reward for this task. The first 1,000 people that completely do all of the tasks that I don't like this task. Sorry to say that. Let me use this task. Yes, this one. The first 1,000 people that will complete this task that is here, they will get rewarded with 200 CB coins. Do you get? Meaning, after the first 1,000 people that have completely done this task now, they've been rewarded. And let's say the 1,001 person that comes up to do the task, if you do it, you will not be able to get a reward because it says 1,000 people and it's SCFS, meaning the first 1,000 to complete the task, they are the ones who will be able to claim the 200 CB coins reward. Now, the other form of reward, this one that is lucky draw. This one is a type of task that you see it has a day that is ending. Simply means that on the day this particular task ends, this task is meant to end in 6 days and 21 hours. So within the next 6 days after this task ends, currently I think 28 people are currently participating in this task. Then all the people that does the task and the people that complete it totally, like they do all 3 tasks, the people that created it, that's like that's in this community, they are the ones who will now go and draw out the lucky winners. Like this one is 30 people that are getting the rewards. They'll be the ones to go and draw out the 30 people that will win the prize for this particular task, that will win this 300 CB coins each. So let me show you guys an example of what I'm talking about. I don't know if it will show here, but before this session started, I just drew out winners for a particular task. See this task, for example. What one is in? Now, this particular task, it was created for women in DeFi community and we use the lucky draw feature 372 people participated, but it's only 30 people we rewarded. Now, what we did was we you see it shows completing. Now, what this completing means is people that did not finish the task, they are the ones that you find there. Then if you check for completed, these are the people that completed this particular task. So what we did, we now review it manually. We've already drawn the winner, so it's not going to work. You click on the norms, this place that is showing lucky draw that is not bringing up anything now. It's supposed to show this green color like this. And if you click on it, as the creator of the task, because you as a user, you need to have access to this backend. The creator of the task clicks on the lucky draw. Then there are two options. Either you manually draw the winners yourself, or you allow the system manually draw it for you. So the system will now, if you click on system to automatically draw it for you. If you click on that feature, the system by itself will go through the 170 people that completed the task, and it will now draw 30 people randomly. So those 30 people that I draw out randomly, those are the 30 people. If you click on deploy, those are the people who get to earn 300 CB coins, which I think this task, okay, it's 400 CB coins for this task. Each person will get 400 CB coins. Do you understand? So like that is how the two different features. So you as a user now, if you want to perform a task, always check and see if that task has ended. If it's my advice, always do task, do as many as you can, as much as the task has ended. So even if it does lucky draw, by chance you'll be among the people that the system or the people that created the task, people that will be randomly selected to win that particular task. Then even if it's the FCFS, of course, mean you are lucky, first come first serve. If you are among the people, quickly do that particular task. So immediately your CB coins will be sent to your wallet, because that one, it does not wait till the task is over. Each user that completes those FCFS tasks, they get rewarded immediately. So the ways, like I said, going on Cassava Network is by completing tasks, by verifying your social media account, and another way is also by referring. I'll come to the referring feature. That will be the last thing I want to talk about, because I would want to use my phone. The PC version does not have that referral feature, so I'll use my phone to explain it for you guys. So let's continue. Now, another feature on Cassava Network is this mystery box feature. So now this feature is used for our partners or community that want to run airdrop or any form of giveaway on the platform. So I'm sure if we're actually crypto oriented, we would have seen CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. There's a feature on them, like, in fact, everybody, this is like one of the things everybody knows about CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. For CMC, there's what they call CoinMarketCap Diamonds, and by claiming you claim diamonds daily, and you also refer your friends to CoinMarketCap using your CoinMarketCap link, you get to earn more diamonds. And in turn, these are your diamonds now. You can now use it to claim NFTs. There was one time they did one airdrop of tokens on CoinGecko. I think it was Access token, the token later form. They did it on CoinGecko, and people use their CoinGecko candies to claim those tokens on the platform. There was a limit, just as this one. It is literally the same thing as this mystery box feature. So let's say one of our partners wants to do an airdrop of their tokens, and they say, oh, the airdrop is only like, let's say 500 people that can claim it. And they now say, oh, to be able to claim it, you need to like claim with maybe 300 CB coins and whatnot. That is what this mystery box is all about. Or let's say people want to give out event tickets, or they'll now say to claim a particular a ticket for that event, you need to have like use 1000 CB coins to claim it. That is what this feature is for. Or they want to airdrop NFTs, same thing. So the previous campaigns we did here was during the World Cup time, where 3 different types of jerseys. They were actually jerseys that you could use to cloth your Cassava avatars, and they were the jerseys of the different countries that were in the World Cup. Now this particular one is 2000 CB coins. For it to be very high, you know that the rarity of this particular NFT, the NFTs are going to be like so high. Then this one is 1000 CB coins, and this one is 0 CB coins. These are like the basic. So it says common, the rarity says common. So you don't use any CB coins, you just click on claim, though it has expired. And the supply for this one was 10,000 of it was issued to people, but currently I think this was left before it got expired. So yes, they also expire. If at the time they did it, then we just started off the platform. A lot of users are not like come on board at that time. So I could put the supply that is 500. Meaning it's 500 people that can claim the particular NFT or the particular token or the money, even if it is money giveaway like USDT or whatnot they want to give to you. Whatever it is they want to give out on Cassava Network, our partners, there's a mystery box feature they used to do that. So let's say they could put a certain amount of tokens here and they'll say, oh, these are the number of people that can claim. So they could put different ways. Let's say this particular one could be to claim with 50 CD coins, and maybe the unit of the token you get from it is 100. Then this one could be to claim with maybe 200 CD coins. You get like 500 units of the particular token, and so on and so forth, just like that. And they'll also put the total supply, that's like total amount of people that can be able to claim that particular thing from the mystery box. So that's like what the mystery box feature is on Cassava. Then for my avatars, these are like Cassava avatars. If you actually look at my Telegram PFP right now, you see that my PFP there is my Cassava avatar. So there are lots of people who love to have NFTs but don't have money to buy NFTs, because of course you need to mint an NFT and it's not free. You have to mint on either Ethereum chain or whatnot. So for Cassava is making that easy for you. You can just come here to give your NFT by yourself, but you need to have 200, at least 250 CD coins, because I think that's what you get charged to create an NFT on the platform. So when you create your NFT, that's like your avatar. You build it from scratch. There are so many days. Our NFTs are actually Africa based. Like this one is Shango, this is Anansi, this is Afonja Filore Scroll. No, there are more than this. Usman, Dan Fodio. Like for different tribes, actually Quenidia. My NFT is kind of like linked to Quenidia. My NFT is like a Benin origin. If you check my avatar, the way it looks like. So I actually built it from here. Although mine was actually custom made, if I'm being honest. So it's custom made. They did it for me to customize my own for me on Cassava. But I told them that I wanted like some features of this Quenidia, but unlike other avatars that the heads are like this. But we're also working on the avatar feature to improve on them, whereby there will be a lot more options, and you'd even be able to create like my own that I have that was custom made for me. People will be able to create such type of avatars on the platform. So right now you can just come. Let's say if you click on this, so you build it by yourself, but you know it's media, so it's always the heads and other features that set to that media that you find here. So let's say I'm choosing this as a forehead, choosing this. I'm not going to build an entire avatar, I'm just showing you guys though. Go to 2, so that's forehead. Come here to choose all you want on the face, but like that's like everything. You choose the different features, you choose the background. Let's see, like mine is purple, this background I'm choosing for example. Come here, choose another feature for the face. This is like the mouth. You can choose anyone you want. Then come here, this is the head. So the good part is the avatars are always rare. Like when I say rare, they are unique rather, because you are the one building it from scratch and you are the one that knows what you like. So it's impossible to see two people who actually have the same avatar on Cassava, because of course I'm the one building this. There's nobody that will have this avatar right now, because I literally just built it from scratch. Do you understand? That's like the good part in all of this. Then you choose the shirts you want.
Hello.
Hi. No, sorry, you.
Okay, I want to ask something. Sorry.
Hold on. They said, sorry, if you want to ask your questions, ask on the community, don't unmute your mic. Okay. So you click on build avatar, and I don't think I have up to 250 CD coins here, but I don't. So it's insufficient. So if you must have up to 250 CD coins to build your avatar, and then when you build it, you download it on your phone. You can use it to your Twitter PFP, your Telegram PFP, and so on and so forth. That's for building avatars. So now I would want to switch back to my phone so I can explain 2 more features. That's the referral feature and the trust circle feature to everyone. So you see how you can actually earn cash because right now there are actually lots of opportunities for users to be able to earn cash on Cassava Network currently. So I'll be explaining those through the phone feature. Sorry, for the person that unmuted his mic earlier that wanted to ask a question, please ask your question on the community, on the chat. Drop your question there. By the time I'm done, I would like respond to it. Or while I'm speaking, I'll still respond to it. Thank you. So guys, that is it for that part. Hold on, let me switch to my phone.
Sorry, please. Let me say the group is not available for all passive. English.
All right. Can you hear me? Okay, Sarah, before you switch to your phone, I just want to ask, I have like 2 questions to ask. I don't know if you're in this call. Okay, stay here. So, to create the community, because that's where I've really interacted with Cassava Network, I noticed the creating community, the feature is not available on mobile phones, only on laptops. It's only on system that feature is available. So I don't know if maybe it's hidden somewhere, like if it's actually on the phone mobile version, because I couldn't really see that on my phone when I was trying to do it, but it was accessible on the system version. So that's like one question, if it's actually on the mobile version of the app. Then the second question is, after I created tags and the CB coins I made, like say I said it's for 1,000 persons and maybe just 700 persons did the tags. The remaining remaining persons like 300, which if it's 100 CB token per person, it should remain at least, let's say, 3,000. But I noticed the remaining CB token was not refunded back to my the community wallet. So I don't know if it actually would be refunded later, because it has not yet been refunded back to the wallet. Sarah, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I was waiting for you to finish. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. For your first question, the phone version does not have community creation. You can't create community using the mobile version. You must use a PC, and that's why most times if you want to run demo calls with partners or communities you want to onboard, we always tell them to join. Using a laptop so they can create their community. But very soon it will be on the mobile version. But for now, they left it on the PC version. Then the next question you asked about the deduction. Actually, the other task, has it ended? Becky, can you hear me? The other task.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Has it ended?
2 has ended, but just 1 is ongoing, and it should end today or tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I will find out about that. But from what I know, it's supposed to be like stand. But if it's not going to be refunded, I'll also find out then what you just have to do is like go back to edit that particular task and extend the date so more people can participate on it. Do you understand? I'll confirm from the team if it will be refunded.
All right, thank you.
But yes, great. So let me the other part I said I was going to show us. Hold on. Can everyone see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it from my end.
Okay, I'm using my phone right now because I want to show something. Now, this is the phone version. In the PC version, on the home screen, I'm sure we didn't see a lot of these things we're seeing here right now, especially this referral and leaderboard thing. But the check-in, I actually forgot to show us there. The check-in is the feature where you go to claim 20 CB coins every day. All you need to do when you come to the app, click on check-in, and 20 CB coins is meant to be like added to your CB coins balance. That's to show that you come here daily to check on the platform. So the referral feature, if you click on it, it has two different sides: the invitation side and the trust circle. Now, the invitation side is the people you refer into the platform. This is where you find them, like everybody you refer into Cassava Network. Now, for every person you refer and the person completes what they call the newbie task, I'll share a link to the newbie task to the platform. But when a new user gets signed up, you're supposed to automatically see the task. So it usually pops up for you to complete it. When a user does the newbie task, that's like the person you refer. At the end of doing it, or rather on completion of doing that task, the person gets 40 CB coins, while you that refers the person, you get 20 CB coins added to your balance for every person you invite to the platform. If the person comes to the platform, like just signs up and doesn't do the newbie task, you're not going to get that 20 CB coins, and the person won't get that 40 CB coins. There's only someone that completes it, and the newbie task usually it asks for people to connect their socials, and it now leads them to the task to follow Cassava on Twitter, to join Cassava Telegram, and so on and so forth. That's like the newbie task. So to get your referral link, it's just here, see referral link, you copy it. Then your referral code, this is it. Then you can also get something, hold on. If you click on invite friends, this QR code is your own personal QR code, so you can download it or you can share it directly from the platform. Do you get? So each person's QR code has also been printed on the platform. If you click on invite friends, you find it. So in case you want a barcode version of your referral link. Then the trust circle. Now the Cassava trust circle is a feature that was brought in for people to enable people to like still earn more CB coins. Now the trust circle is basically you creating a sort of like circle of your friends. It admits only 20 people, that's you and 19 others, where each of like you guys come to, let me create one for you now. See, just muted one, it's active. Let me add from my referral list. This Toby, don't know this safe. Okay, Valerie is here. Casey, lots more they are showing now. Victoria, basically, let me just remember me. Hold on, let me add these 4 people first. I'll go. Now these are the 4 people that have been added to my trust circle. Now this thing helps to show you, it usually works like my best advice if you are inviting people to the platform, create a trust circle so you can add those people to it. Now it helps you to monitor your friends within Cassava Network or people close to you, like people within your trust circle, to be sure that they are active. Like now, from people I added now, it's just Valerie that's been active for the last 7 days. The others are showing like 000 because actually this one is a new account, this is a new account, this is a new account. I'm very sure of that. But I'm guessing Valerie is currently on the platform right now. That's why it's showing that she's active. So the more your members in your circle are active, there's a certain percentage of CB coins you guys will be able to earn. The more check-ins they do daily, there's a certain percentage of CB coins you guys also get to earn. The more they perform tasks and they earn reward, there's also more CB coins that you earn. So these are like all the ways users can actually earn CB coins on the platform in order to, like, of course, earn more money. And by the time the feature comes where people will be able to use their CB coins to do something, they can now use it to do anything. Now see this one. Remember, for that other account, my socials were not verified, but you see this one now, my socials are verified. This is my personal account, and it tasks that I've done, or rather tasks that's currently ongoing that I've not done. This is it. Claimable ones. So I've never completed this task. Then I missed this one. I started but I couldn't finish it. Then yeah, communities I'm currently following. That communities I'm currently following this account. Then I think that's like basically it. The avatar I created here. So that's it about Cassava Network. Yes, sorry. I wanted to point out something. We have something currently going on called the Cassava Loyalty League. Now, the Cassava Loyalty League is a sort of should I say task now? Sort of competition that is currently ongoing on the platform here. Users get to refer their friends, and not just refer. For every friend you refer, and that friend completes the newbie task, you automatically pop up on this referral leaderboard. Now, this leaderboard is being updated every 2 weeks. They're currently on the second week, so I think by today or tomorrow they will clear this leaderboard and a fresh one starts by Monday. Because this is like the second week since the loyalty league started. It started on the 8th of May. So what they do is every 2 weeks, the prize pool is $100,000. It's like for the entire till this $100,000 gets exhausted. So currently, with the more people that participate on this contest, the more the pool, that's the prize pool will be shared. Currently, it's just 1,468.7 USD that is currently being shared. Number one person on the leaderboard gets to earn, like, for each referral you bring, there's a way it's being calculated. I think you get 0.1 USD. But at the end of the day, when this leaderboard, like when this one gets refreshed, this particular segment of the competition ends, the person that is number one on the leaderboard gets an additional $100 to whatever it is that he earns. Number two gets, I think, additional $50 and so on and so forth. But I think top three, the people that get the most, then the other is like, the more your referrals, and these your referrals, they have to do the newbie task. It is very important. At the end of this session, I will drop the link that, like, links to what explains the loyalty league more for people, like what also explains the trust circle, then the link to the newbie task in case you want to have it, so that when you send your referral link to your friend, that's what I do. I always attach the newbie task link to it because some people may not do it. So I just said them sign up with this link, then afterwards follow this link to complete this particular task. You see, the ones that are always able to do, they always send me a screenshot. Here they'll see the 40 CB coins. It shows them welcome, something like that. So you are rewarded with 40 CB coins. They get it. And on my own end, when I check, I always see the 20 CB coins that I get for referring that person. So that is basically everything about Cassava Network. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Sarah. I really enjoyed your presentation. If there's something that really interests me in Cassava Network is the NFT, and that's what I'm looking forward to creating. So thank you once again, and thank you to everyone who joined this session. I'm sure we got something new today and got to know much about Cassava Network and how it would be of interest and benefit to us. So for those who might have questions, you can at least drop the questions maybe after the session, because I'm not sure anyone has questions for now. Maybe when you're interacting with the Cassava Network, the app, and you have an issue, either you contact their customer care or whatever, or maybe come to our community here, you can ask the question and we'll surely relate it to Sarah. So thank you all for joining in and staying to the very end. I really appreciate you guys, and do well to stay active in our community, because we're having more sessions like this with people who are seasoned and experienced in this crypto blockchain space. So do well. You expect quality from us, and what we give is the best. For those who have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that. Those who have not yet joined our newsletter, we give out quality content like 2-3 times in a week, and you wouldn't want to miss that. So subscribe to our newsletter, join our WhatsApp community, stay active here on Telegram, and you get the best from all of us here at Next 100X. So thank you.